Let's talk about one of the traits PDP Global measures called conformity. The higher your conformity, the more you'll naturally feel comfortable with preset standards and systems so you can know what needs to be done and how to do it. You welcome comprehensive training to avoid mistakes while double-checking your work for accuracy. You are loyal and respect leadership, particularly if it is structured and consistent. Since you are accurate and systematic, you may wonder why less detailed people do not do things the way you do. You can accept policy changes when you know their value and are assured they will result in greater efficiency in completing the job. Let's take a look at a man named Jared, who has high conformity. Jared is a structured and efficient person who enjoys knowing the rules of the game, and he is most accurate when he uses his preferred systems without pressure. Since Jared is naturally precise and systematic, he is mindful of how much criticism he receives. His itemized and detailed checklists keep him on track and ensure he does excellent work. Jared is good with details and chose a specialized area where he could be free to work with precision and accuracy. He is intensely loyal to his team, and his natural desire for quality makes him an excellent addition to a high-performing team. For more information on this or any other trait, check out pdpglobal.com.